I love it. The retailers are good, the product makers are good, the restaurants are good, but really, can everybody win?
Well, the way we see this is that the indicators that we track from a macroeconomic level, we look at jobless claims, we look at real incomes. Both are trending higher, and those are the things that really the building blocks of any consumer recovery. And that's why you're seeing a broad-based rebound, not just in restaurant stocks, but as you mentioned, all across the consumer spectrum.
Yeah, and is there one that sticks out to you in your space that is particularly doing it right? I mean, Habit Burger up 80%. I don't think you cover them, but what stocks in your universe are doing really well? Oh, you do cover them. Fantastic. Does it deserve an 80% gain this year?
Well, I would say we actually do have a hold on the name, but it was a name we've tracked higher when we did have a buy rating on the stock. I think what we're seeing out of Habit Burger, among some of the others, is that we are seeing a recovery, and California's been particularly strong, which is where Habit has its base. They have 3/4 of their restaurants there. The California economy has done quite well, so I would say the companies like that, you look at Cheesecake Factory, that they've done fairly well, even with the recent setback post-earnings. But they think some of the areas of the country, Texas has done very well also. So any with the oil recovery there, I think that's done particularly well also.
So you're saying geography makes a difference with restaurants as well. We get that then. So in your universe, you got to hold on Habit, obviously, because the stock has done so well. What stocks then still look like good values? What stocks can our viewers feast on right now, Stephen?
Our top three names right now are Del Taco, tickers TACO. They also have a base in California. The other two names we're looking at are Dine Brands Global. They're the parent company of Applebee's and IHOP, and that's a company that had been left for dead, but they've had some new management come in late last year, and the stock has done quite well, as you've seen a recovery at both Applebee's and IHOP. The other thing we're looking at is Dave & Buster's, tickers PLAY. They've also seen an interesting story. They get more than half of their sales come from the amusements, the arcade machines, and over the summer they installed a virtual reality take on the Jurassic World, and we understand that's doing fairly well also. And the important thing is that's the thing that brings customers into the restaurants and enjoying their food as well.
Well, if you haven't done it, we're going to coin that as your 3D investing strategy: Del Taco, Dine Equity, and Dave & Buster's. Stephen Anderson of Maxim Group, you get an A+.